It's time to draw this little boy. It's wearing a raincoat that's somewhat B-shaped. Difficulty level is very easy and it's moving somewhere in rain. Just try to draw this one. Isn't it so cool? I am using the yellow color as it's a brighter one. You can use any other color. First, you need to draw somewhat triangular shaped and some of the circles, as you can see one above the other. This is the crab. From these initials S and S, we are going to convert it into cute little two cats that are too affectionate and they are hugging each other. You can see we can make the body by drawing somewhat tree shape as shown here. This is so cute, isn't it? Just fill it with some of the colors in this form of the spots as we are doing here. Give them a blush. From the number 1 to 0, we are able to trace down a doctor, and this doctor is wearing a PPE kit so that it will save himself and the others from the COVID-19 infection. Just pause the video and follow these steps as shown here. It's having some prescription or any report of the patient in its hand. Just give it a try. This one is so easy. It's best suited for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. Don't forget to trace down the plus shape that represents a doctor.